Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set digits to save for a new computer. Whether you're upgrading your workstation or getting a new laptop for school, Digit can help you to steadily save for your next computer purchase. Let me show you what to do. So first step is going to be to open the Digit app. So go ahead and launch the app on your mobile device and log into your account using your account credentials. Once you're in, tap goals on the main menu. You're going to see all your active saving goals. You just tap the plus or the add a goal button to start a new one. Then you're going to create a new goal. Enter a name like new computer, and then you're going to set your target savings amount. For instance, 1,200 to 2,005, whatever it is. Just go ahead and add that up. And once that's done, you're going to set a deadline. This is optional, of course. So you can choose a date by which you'd like to complete your savings. Now this helps Digit to calculate exactly how much to set aside daily or weekly. You can also customize savings settings. You can adjust how aggressively Digit saves for this goal. Just use the slider or the advanced option to increase or decrease the saving pace. You can also prioritize the goal because this is optional, of course. If this goal is your top priority, you want to mark it as such so that Digit channels more of your savings towards it first. Once that's done, you can monitor your progress, so check back regularly to view your progress. You can also pause, edit, or boost the goal at any time. By automating your savings for a computer with Digit, you can avoid credit card debts and make the purchase stress-free when the time comes. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.